How to solve Rubik's Cube 4 by 4, 2 by 2. That's easy. You need only two algorithms to fix it. Now we scrabble it. Okay. First we start with white, like always. Okay, this go here. I'll do it this way. Up, boom. We fix to white. This one go here, because if you turn it always down, here. This one, put it under. Do match it here, put it again under, do this option and you fix it. Now the second one, you have to fix the yellow top. Yellow top, you start with this algorithm. This algorithm, you have to you start finding, there is too many stuff, like here you see there is two yellow here and yellow here. All this, always put the two yellow in the back. Okay, and this here, this algorithm, okay, we call it the fish are clockwise up, clockwise right, counterclockwise up, clockwise right, clockwise up, 2 times are right, counterclockwise. Okay, remember this algorithm. You find it in 3 by 3. We call it the fish. Okay, this we start with here. There is yellow and there is yellow here. Okay, we say yellow here and yellow here, and two are yellow in the back. Same algorithm again. Okay, now this yellow facing me and the other yellow facing up, we do same algorithm again. Now it's fixed. You see, the yellow top is fixed. Now we match the color, the color in the back, and we face him in the back, and we do this algorithm, matching color in the back. You remember this? I do it in 3 by 3. Right, counterclockwise, front, clockwise, right, counterclockwise, back 2 times, R, clockwise, front, clockwise, counterclockwise, right, counterclockwise, back 2 times, right 2 times. Remember this algorithm. You find it in 3 by 3. Just remember it again. Same again. See, we match the color, the back, and we do the same algorithm. Fix. Okay, just do it and you fix it. It's 2 algorithms. The first one we call it the fish, and then matching color in the back, and that's it. I do it quick again for you. I do it again. Okay, we fix the white. We say 2 colors here, here. Okay, and this one go here. Okay, we say we make it the yellow one. The top, we have this one here. Just go do the same algorithm again. Same algorithm. Now do the yellow top, the matching color. If there is no matching color, just do it anyway. Fish. Okay, matching color. That's the last one. And that's it. Thank you.